The VEVOR 30-inch box brake is an excellent tool for those who need to make straight-line bends on 30-inch wide metal sheets, making it ideal for personal workshops and small-scale fabrication projects. With its capability to bend various materials such as mild steel, stainless steel, copper, and aluminum, this brake proves to be versatile and efficient, especially with its ability to handle 18-gauge mild steel effortlessly. The adjustable angle feature from 0 to 135 degrees allows for precise and consistent bends, ensuring a professional finish tailored to your specific project needs. Equipped with a secure clamping system and pre-drilled mounting holes, this metal bending machine offers stability and eliminates the worry of losing separate clamps during operation. Designed for portability and ease of use, the VEVOR metal bender is user-friendly, requiring only the tightening of side screws and lifting of the handle to achieve the desired angle. Its heavy-duty aluminum construction ensures durability and precision, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike.